of the world's problem is because it is miscommunicated. I needed information from Eric. How are you? And Eric gave me the information and says, I am fine. Okay, that's the basic. However, there's another thing that we can define on communication. Now, did you realize that I am the sender of the message when I say, how are you? But do you think Eric is also the sender of the message? Not at this moment. At this moment, he is the receiver of the message. Are we okay with this? Of miscommunication takes place. We deliver the message without understanding or without taking the receiver into consideration. Was clear? Instruction was clear. So you're trying to be nice, yeah, instruction clear, and you feel, okay, I did my best as an officer. Whatever I could, I did. But you see, they also understood what you said. Actually, they understood. The steps was very easy. Okay? But then they're trying to understand the step based on what they understood. In their perspective, sir, we understood what you said. In my perspective, I thought I really understood. Now, would you mind opening the paper and show it to your colleagues? Just show it up. Yeah, you will see it's very difficult to see any one of them having.
You realize that? So for a male, he has a space between the legs. Okay? That's how we stand. How a female is what we call as parallel. Did you realize that? Is when you talk about your body posture. Okay? Remember your backbone actually doesn't end just on your shoulder. It goes on. So sometimes we do have this. So always carry as a straight normally.
We just give our hand and let's shake hands. Alright? So remember there's the right way of shaking hands. One, it is vertical. Second is there is a bit of a grip. I don't say a firm grip. The moment you give too much, it's called knuckle crunch. Okay, so then the decoding is you're very aggressive. And if you give just like that and not holding it hard and you just gave it, we call it a dead fish handshake. In fact, it is interpreted as a person with loose character. Alright? Now there's another way. When I am an officer, alright, Eric comes in and he says, okay, thank you, I'll get back to you. You see this portion? So he gives like this. That means I am very dominating. I have superiority complex. I think I'm a boss around. That's how it's decoded in body language. Alright, I'll stay in touch with you. Did you see this? Now again, another thing. If I give like this, sir, it was nice meeting you. You show yourself as a very inferior person. You feel like, you have low self-esteem and so on. Low on confidence. Now the challenge is, okay, this is what I know. But the challenge is, he's my boss. Alright? And you give me the boss here, okay? Yeah. He gives me this. Just do it again. I have no option but to do this, right? Can I twist my boss? I say, hey boss, I'm also boss. Can I do that? That is not. So this is how you would do it. Suppose somebody gives you this way and he's your superior. Then you may have to go like this. However, you put one foot forward and say, nice meeting you also, sir. Means, sir, you may be superior, but I am also kisi se kam nahi. Are we okay? So these are interpretations on how you shake hands. Remember that? Is that okay?